I've always dreamed of visiting Disney World and Walt Disney World Resorts. Today that dream begins as I set off on a culinary journey to explore Disney World and gather unique recipe ideas. Guests can enjoy complimentary Disney transportation, making it easy to visit the parks and other attractions within Walt Disney World Resorts. The All-Star Sports Resort is a great choice for families and sports enthusiasts in an affordable, fun-filled stay at Disney World. Come along with me. Let's check out the resort. This Disney World Resort offers guests a fun and immersive sports-themed environment with larger-than-life sports icons, colorful decor, and themed pool area. For dining, the end zone food court offers a variety of options, including American classics and healthy choices. This Disney World Resort features 5 sections, each dedicated to a different sport: football, baseball, basketball, tennis, and surfing. It is hot and steamy here, definitely a different kind of heat. The resort also provides amenities such as an arcade, playground, and a jogging trail for those looking to stay active. Let's check out the hotel room. The room does not come with snacks, but we brought some. This is a Murphy bed. The table folds down and the bed folds out. My son bought me a few gifts. It's time to eat. Yes, I did look at the dessert first. I decided to get the bacon cheeseburger with fries and the lemon blueberry cheesecake. Come along with me to the next video. The lemon blueberry cheesecake at Walt Disney World inspired me to make a lemon blueberry cake. Let's watch that video recipe.